Yes, today's topic is Fourier series. In the Fourier series, most important and easy topic, that is harmonic analysis. Harmonic analysis. Just I'll write that chapter name first. Fourier series. This is mostly in the second semester, unit 2 for few universities, and in this harmonic analysis. Harmonic analysis, easiest topic, and who feel the difficulty in the case of differentiation and integration, those people can leave the other topics, they can concentrate this. And this harmonic analysis will help us to find out the constant term, that is your A naught, and first term, first harmonic terms, A1 and B1. See, A naught formula I will write 2 by capital N summation y A1. A1 is 2 by capital N summation y cos x. Similarly, B1 is 2 by capital N summation y sin x. If they asked only up to first harmonic, then these three terms calculation is enough. If they asked up to second harmonic, then you need to calculate A2 as well as B2 also. A2 I am writing here 2 by n summation y cos 2x, and B2 is 2 by n summation y sin 2x. If they asked the third harmonic, then A3, B3 also you need to calculate. A3 is 2 by n summation y cos 3x, and B3 is 2 by n summation y sin 3x. So, for example, if they asked up to first harmonic, then we have to write the conclusion, right? So, that is y is equal to a naught by 2 plus a1 cos x plus b1 sin x. If they asked only the first harmonic. Okay. Similarly, if they asked for second harmonic also, then in that case y value become a naught by 2 plus a1 cos x, this everything it will come, a1 cos x plus b1 sin x, apart that a2 cos 2x plus b2 sin 2x. You can write in the bracket this. If they ask the third harmonic, then we will add A3 cos 3x. A3 we calculate here na. A3 value A3 cos 3x plus B3 sin 3x. It will continue like that. If they ask up to fourth harmonic, then you have to add A4 cos 4x plus B4 sin 4x. But due to the lengthy, they may not ask. Maximum up to second harmonic they will ask. Here if you observe the formula, there is no differentiation as well as not required of integration formulas. So particularly if you want to write any expression, like any expression, if you want to write in terms of cos and sine and constant term, you can use the harmonic analysis. Right. And here they may not give the expression directly, they will give a set of values. Just we will take one example, and before starting this, I want to tell one more important point. This lie between 0 less than or equal to, let me take that theta value range. This is 2 pi. Okay. Starting value will be 0 and ending value is 2 pi. 2 pi not included, right? So 0 less than or equal to 2 pi. Here 0 included. Sometimes it will be like this: 0 less than theta less than or equal to 2 pi. That means when you are calculating the values, either 0 you have to include, otherwise 2 pi you have to include. Both don't include. Mostly they will exclude in the given problem. If they give also, you have to eliminate that. You have to ignore that value. I will take two examples. If you understand that two examples, this topic, you will be perfect. Obtain the Fourier series of y. Obtain the Fourier series. Obtain the Fourier series of y up to the second harmonic. Up to the second harmonic for the following values. What all are the values? X value they given and y value. X values 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270, then 315, next it is 360. And y values are 4, 3.8, 2.4, 2, then minus 1.5, 0, 2.8, 3.4. This is the data. Okay. So now, what is the interval of x values? I already said you, x interval must be at 0 less than or equal to x less than 2 pi, either this, otherwise 0 less than x less than or equal to 2 pi. And here, if you see here, 45, it started with 45. So this data belongs to this. 0 not included. Here equality symbol is not there. So 0 not included. 2 pi. 2 pi is nothing but 360. 360 included here. Okay. So the given problem, it must be either like this or like this. Okay. So this problem belongs to this. Let me do this. Let me do this problem. X values, already I gave the list of the formulas: A0, A1, B1, A2, B2. I gave the values. Okay. So first we will tabulate it. I'll clear this data. Whatever the problem is there, anyhow you people noted. So I'm going to clear this. We will solve. X values, Y values, please tabulate in a page. First column must be x value, second column must be y value. Okay. First we will concentrate to find out the value of A0. A0 formula already we are familiar with that. 2 by n summation y. So y values already you tabulated. Calculate by using calculator sum of the y values. Here I am writing that x0 value 0, 45, and it is 90, 135, 180, then 225, then 270, and last value is 315. It started with 0, so 360 not here. Then after that y values, in front of 0 it is 2.0, either 2.0 or 2 is same. This is 1.5, then this will be 1.0, then this will be 0.5, then it will be 0, then again 0.5, 1.0, 1.5. This is already they gave the data. And what is that formula for A0? This is my formulas zone. Here I will write formulas zone. A naught formula is 2 by n summation y, right? So sum of all the y values, calculate by using calculator, then we are going to get 8.0. Then simultaneously I will calculate 2 by n into summation y. What is that n value? N is nothing but number of terms. See here how many there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So capital N value is equal to 8. So 2 by 8 into summation by 8.0. Then A naught answer is 2. I got as 2. A naught value I got as 2. Constant term we got. Okay. Next term. A1 formula I am writing. This is the formula shown for us. A1. 2 by n summation y cos x. Here, this is in the laptop, right? So it is not coming. If it is in the board, otherwise book, we may draw properly. Okay, fine. It is fine now. See here, this is the formula. A1 is 2 by n into summation y cos x. Y into cos x first you need to calculate. Okay. So for that, first you need to calculate cos x values. First you make one column with cos x values. Use your scientific calculator. Cos symbol will be there. X value is 0. Cos 0 value 1. Then cos 45 0.7071 and cos 90 0. Then cos 135 0.7071. And if you don't know how to use calculator, please put one comment. I will explain that also. And cos 180, cos 01, cos 45.70, cos 90 0, cos 135 minus 0 point, cos 180 is minus 1. Yes, here cos 225, that is minus 0.7071. Then cos 270 is 0. Then cos 315 is 0.7071. See, cos x we calculated, but it is multiplying with y. So, one more column required, y into cos x. Now see, 2.0 into 1, what it will be? 2.0. 1.5 into 0.7071, 1.06065. Then 0 into anything, 0. Then minus 0.35355. Then again it is 0. Then minus 0.35355 it is. 0 into anything. And then 1.06065. Y into cos x, I calculated this column. Then here what is the symbol is there? Summation y cos x means sum of all these values. So in your calculator, feed that, you are going to get the sum as 3.4142. So simultaneously I am going to calculate the value of A1. N value already we know, right? It is 8. 2 by 8 into 3.4142. Then A1 answer, I'm calculating, yes, 0.85355 we got it. Okay. Then immediately go for B1 now. What is the B1 formula? 2 by n summation y sin x. Okay. So I hope you people understood now. Now our turn, we have to calculate sin x first. After sin x, multiply with y, then sum of all the values. Sin x here, sin 0, 0. Then sine of 45 degrees, 0.7071, sine 90, 1, and sine 135, 0.7071. Then sine 180, we know sine n pi is 0, right? Then sine 225, minus 0.7071. Use calculator. Sin 271, sin 315 minus 0.7071. Like cos x, we calculated sin x. Now multiply with y into sin x. So if we multiply with y values, see the second column, 0 into 2.0, so 0, then 1.5 into 0.7071, 1.06065, the next is 1.0 got, 0.35355 got, then it will be 0, then minus 0.35355, then it will be minus 1, then minus 1.06065. Okay, if I add everything, we are going to get 0. Okay, then immediately let me complete b1 value. 2 by n, 2 by 8, n value 8, summation y sin x value is 0. So b1 I got 0. Okay, if my question is up to first harmonic, my answer will be like this. Y is equal to, what is that up to first harmonic formula? A naught by 2 plus A1 cos x plus B1 sin x. Then substitute it. A naught by 2 we got as 2. 2. A naught is 2. A naught by 2 is 1. Right? So 1 plus A1 value how much? 0.85355 cos x. And B1 value is 0. 0 into sin x is 0. So up to first harmonic they asked. If they asked, then this will be the answer. Up to second harmonic if they asked, and we have to find out. Here cos x we did, right? Similarly, we have to for cos 2x, y into cos 2x. Like that, we have to continue that. So this problem we will do up to first harmonic only, and we will see the second up to second harmonic one more problem. Next problem. Yes, please note this. Given the following table, obtain the Fourier series up to the second harmonic for the following values. Second problem I am giving now. This is the second problem. First problem is completed. I am going to clear that. Second problem I am dictating now. X degrees note down 45, 90. X degrees are 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, then 270, 315, 360. Y values are, here only I am writing y values. Anyhow, we have to tabulate, right? In this problem, they given that x values are 0, 45 onwards it started. It's okay. I will take like this, okay? X value 0, 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270, 315, 360. We will take like that. Okay, I want to explain one point. That's what I am taking like this. And y values we will note down. In front of 0, note down as 3.4. Even I will note it. 3.4. And for 45, it is 4.0. And 90 degrees 3.8, at 135 2.4, at 180 2.0, and at 225 minus 1.5, and at 270 it is 0, and at 315 it is 2.8, and at 360 it is 3.4. I think you understood why I added the given problem for 0. Just I changed the given problem, that's all, by adding 0. If you observe, see, x values are lie between 0 to 360. 0 also there, 360 also there. Okay, but we have to eliminate one, either 0 or 360 you have to eliminate. We have to take only one. Why we have to eliminate that starting value? We can there is no condition like that. You can eliminate 0, you can eliminate last value, no problem. Anything you can eliminate, you are going to get the same answer. But always this lie between either 0 less than or equal to x less than 360, otherwise 0 less than x less than or equal to 360. Either of these two conditions must be satisfied. So for that symbol only they gave that y value is same whether you observed or not. Correct na? For 0, 3.4, for 360, 3.4. So it is understood, if you choose any value to delete, your answer may not differ. Okay, so I'm going to delete first value. Okay, so when I am writing in the answer itself, I'll give this condition: x values must be lie between either 0 included or 360 included. That's what I'm not considering the 0. Okay, so I'm going to clear this I will ignore it. This is important. If you included that 3.4, then summation y only it will be wrong. A naught value only will be wrong. So don't do that. Now see, summation y values we need to calculate, because what is the A naught formula? A naught is equal to 2 by n summation y only. So what is capital N value? How many there? 3 here, 6, 8 is there. Similar, 2 by 8, and summation y we need to calculate na. So what is summation y? 16.9. I got it. So 16.9 this is. Then A naught answer is 4.225. 4.225 will be your A naught. Okay. Then next target is A1. A1 we need to calculate, and for this we will do up to second harmonic for practice. Okay. These two problems if you do, then you will be perfect and you are going to get 9 marks from this, 8 or 9. A1 formula. What is that A1 formula? A1 formula is summation y 2 by n summation y cos x. So it is understood. First we need to find out cos x value. Cos x value you need to calculate. Y into cos x you have to calculate. I already said the procedure. So if you are familiar to use that calculator, then you can directly go for y into cos x. Please enter this in your calculator by, see, in calculator you can take it as alpha comma, and cos will be there, open bracket, alpha closed bracket, again closed bracket, alpha, alpha button will be there in scientific calculator, then comma button will be there. In MS it is comma, in ES Calc SD will be there. Cos, press cos, open bracket, alpha closed bracket, again closed bracket, then y cos x will be there. CALC option, press it. It will ask y value. What is y? 4.0. Give it. It will ask x value. X value give. What is x value? 45. So you can do direct calculation. So you will get that y cos x value as 2.8284. then again is equal to, press it. It will ask y value 3.8, and x value you give as 90. So y cos x, it is 0. Again one more, minus 1.69704 and minus 2.0 and 1.06065, then again got 0, then 1.97988, then after that it is 3.4 y cos x, and all these sum if you calculate you are going to get 5.57189. Use calculator. If you don't know how to use calculator, give comment under this. I'm going to do one more video how to use calculator like that, then you can learn. So 2 by 8 summation y cos x, we got the answer 5.57189. So A1 answer, let me calculate how much we are going to get. A1 is 1.393. 1.31393. Okay. Similarly, let me calculate the B1 value now. B1 is 2 by n summation y sin x. This is the formula. Again, y sin x calculate. Please enter this equation in your calculator. Alpha, comma, sine, open bracket, alpha, closed bracket, again closed bracket, CALC option. Then y value give 4.0, x value 45. It will give directly answers. If you feel difficulty like how I explained the first problem, you can do one by one, no issue. Okay, but it's time taking. You are very smart how to use your mobiles. Calculator usage is very simple comparatively that. And these all are the values I am going to get. 1.06065. Minimum 4 to 5 decimals. Please fix your calci for that. Minus 1.97988. And this will be 0. If I calculate sum, I am going to get 7.40621. Then immediately I can calculate 2 by 8, 7.40621. Then what is the B1 answer? After calculating, B1 is 1.8516. I got it. Okay. Now, but this is not my answer, right? They ask to find out up to second harmonic. There is a chance to ask up to second harmonic. Third harmonic, they may not trouble you that much calculation. Up to second harmonic, they may ask. So I am clearing because I need this place to calculate A2 and B2. A2 formulas, B2 formula also I gave to you. Only one change, wherever x is there, make it as 2x. If it is third harmonic, it will be 3x. That's all. It is very easy, free from the derivatives as well as integration. So now A2 formula I am writing 2 by n summation y cos 2x. So we need to calculate y into cos 2x. Same thing, y cos 2x, enter in your calculator. Y cos 2x, automatically, directly it will display the answer 0, minus 3.8, 0, 2.0, 0, 0, 0, 3.4, and the sum you need to calculate, that is 1.6. Then 2 by 8 into 1.6. What is that A2 answer? A2 answer we got as 0.4. And finally we need to calculate B2 also. 2 by n summation by sine 2x. Then 2 by 8 we have to calculate. Summation by sine 2x we need to calculate For that, again, direct, not required of 2 into x calculation, again sine to x calculation, again multiplication with y into sine to x. Those all the step by step, not required. Directly you will get answer from your calculator if you able to enter this in your calculator. 40 minus 2.4, again 0, and you can write direct answer. You won't get that there is no special marks for each column. No, nothing like that. Minus 2.8, and this is 0. If I add this everything, minus 2.7, I got it. So finally, B2 value also we got, that is minus 0.675. Okay. So for this data, you may have 2 marks, that's all. So they will see that y cos x, y sin x, y cos to x, y sin to x. There is no special mark for cos to x, sin to x, again 2x. No, nothing like that. You don't get that. You don't have the special weightage for that. Now, so with the data, I don't have the work. I'm going to delete that. Let me conclude this problem. We know that up to first harmonic means y is equal to a naught by 2 plus a1 cos x plus b1 sin x. Whenever you are practicing the problem, try to write the formula again and again. Then your hand will remember the formula. That much practice. Okay, because too many formulas are there in Fourier series and Fourier transforms. And remaining problems, if you are good in integration differentiation only, you can do it. But this harmonic analysis, not required of any derivatives, any integration. So only that usage of calculator. Okay. So I am writing second harmonic. They asked y is equal to a naught by 2 a1 cos x plus b1 sin x plus a2 cos 2x plus b2 sin 2x. Okay, we got that values already. A naught by 2. A naught value is something we got as 4.225. So A naught by 2 means 2.1125 plus 1.393 cos x plus 1.8516 sin x. Whatever we got the answer, just I am replacing, that's all. And here only a2 is visible here, 0.4 cos 2x, and here due to minus is there, let me write this, minus 0.675, it is sin 2x. This is the answer. So this is about the harmonic analysis. Who have the syllabus, the Fourier series, first try to learn this harmonic analysis. This is very easy calculating, and this is the process of finding constant term and the first few cosine terms and sine terms numerically. If you want this, harmonic analysis is the direct answer for that. Thank you.